This opportunity as fishermen and women to come and meet you. All these people are happy that you accepted to meet them.
Allow me, sir, to Your Excellency, to present this paper, highlighting the key areas that we have been looking at in the sector for you and the Ugandans to know what's happening in the fisheries and aquaculture subsector. Your Excellency, Uganda is endowed with abundant water resources, including the 5 major water bodies: Victoria, Albert, Kyoga, Lake Edward, and George, and more than 160 minor lakes, numerous rivers, swamps, floodplains, and others which provide high potential for fish production. The fisheries subsector comprises capture fisheries. Capture fisheries refers to hunting fish from the wild, and aquaculture, which refers to fish farming. Your Excellency, major challenges in capture fisheries: the use of destructive fishing practices is still a concern, and FU is doing its best. The use of undersized fishing nets is the most serious threat, causing harvest of immature fish and depriving the country of immense economic value that would be obtained if the fish was allowed to mature. There is also increasing fishing pressure, Your Excellency, resulting from a growing population of especially the youth.
When there is a problem, then you get subsequent problems. Because from the report of the Commissioner, it is clear that there are gaps in the management of the fisheries. He mentioned them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even for me to deploy the soldiers on the lake, it was because there was a problem. I brought them because there was a crisis.
Yes.
So now it's good we have met now, and you have discussed among yourselves, and you have proposed solutions which I heard about. In order to help all this, the Army is already upgrading the monitoring of these lakes. Like on Lake Albert, and I'm sure maybe on Lake Edward also, we have now modern systems. On the lake, on the shore, they have eyes to see in the lake, so that you don't have to depend on human beings only. Even all those things about the fishing here, there, that can be solved technically. On Lake Victoria, we're going to deploy another system there, but we had not done it. So that all these people who are telling lies here, they allowed this one, we can go and check.